Hi there, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a point cloud in AutoCAD using PyAutoCAD library. So let's begin. So first of all, we little theory. So we are going to create a sphere. Okay, this is not exactly a sphere. We're going to be creating a sphere. All right. Okay. Consider this is a sphere, and we have a center point over here. Okay, this is the center point. You can see a dot, and what we're going to do is we take a point somewhere, anywhere, and we measure the distance from that center point. Consider the center point as origin 0, 0, 0, and our point is a x, y, z. Then this distance is calculated. For example, the distance is d, and this is compared against a radius of this sphere. The radius can be whatever the size we want, and we compare against that, and if it is greater, we avoid that point, and if it is less, the distance is less, which means the point is inside the sphere, we consider that point and plot it on AutoCAD. So that's a basic principle, and the distance we can find using the formula x square plus y square plus z square or root. So this is the formula, and radius is the radius we are giving. It's a constant, and that's it. So let's dive to the code. So first of all, we import our libraries. We use random, and this is a Python standard library, and we import AutoCAD and a point, and we instantiate our AutoCAD. Then we fix radius 50. Then what we do is we are going to repeat this entire block 10,000 times, and this size 50 is nothing but the size of that sphere, or we can say consider as a cube, and we're going to random find a point x, y, z. Once we got these, we can get a point, and we find the distance using that formula which we already told, and double star for the power, and we compare that with against the distance. Distance is 50, and if it is lesser, this code block runs. Make sure put it into try block. Sometimes it will be error, and yeah, then we plot it if it is less than our radius, so that we get our cube. So we delete this one, and we'll run that again from here. Let's wait. I think it's plotting. Yeah, it's coming. It is taking time. Let's wait. Each and every point here. Let's move our mouse so that it's update each drawing, each point. Okay, let's move our mouse so that it is updating, and you can see that more points are coming. You can also use update method for any object inside that loop for updating every time a point is plotted. So it's drawing many points. It can be as many as 10,000. Now go back to our Visual Studio Code. Oh, some error is coming. Anyway, it is still running. I still were not able to find what is the reason behind this error. Okay, that's it for today's video, and I think you enjoy this video, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.